everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about lighting without power, having lights, illumination, whatever you want to call it, but being able to see when there's no power. All right, so just to clarify here, I'm not talking about you don't have any batteries, but when you're considering about batteries for flashlights and battery-powered lanterns, you have a way to recharge those if the grid is down for a week or so. All right. So, of course, thing that everyone thinks about is candles. Yes, candles do provide light, but hey, candles burn out. Also, if you're using the wrong type of candle, they can be easily knocked over. And I talked about this a couple months ago in the one titled about candles. So, but lighting, there's a bunch of different ways that you can do lighting. Candles, battery-powered lights and lanterns, manual-powered crank lights and lanterns, where you crank it up and it charges up a capacitor and it runs for a while, and then you got to crank it up some more. And of course, with the ones that run on LEDs now, you can crank it up and it'll run for a bit longer than the old type used to. Then there's also the oil lamps or kerosene lamps and the Coleman style propane lanterns or the white gas style lanterns. And some of those you can pick up relatively cheap at a thrift shop. Or you can find around where people are trading stuff in at some sporting goods stores. Most of them don't take stuff in, but some of them do. And you can pick up used ones relatively cheap as well. Also, Craigslist, eBay, there's a bunch of the Facebook Marketplace, a bunch of local ones they have on that, where you can find out where people are selling stuff relatively inexpensively. And along with that comes garage sales, estate sales. There are ways to pick up some of these supplies and equipment a lot less than a full brand new would cost, and they're still in really good condition. All right, so look into other ways you can have light when the grid goes down. All righty, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you, even if it's a blackout. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like walking around in the dark without any flashlights. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, lighting equipment. Why? Well, this is why.